In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Taobao order. If you've just placed an order and you're wondering where it is, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and how to read the updates so you always know what's happening with your package. First, head to Taobao.com and sign into your account. Use your usual login method, and once you're in, you'll be on the main homepage. From here, open your order history by clicking the section labeled Yi Mai Dao De Bao Bei, which means purchased items. You'll typically find it in the top navigation or under your account menu. This page lists everything you've bought with the most recent orders at the top. Find the item you want to track. Look for the product picture, the seller name, and the order date to make sure you've got the right one, especially if you place several orders close together. When you've selected the correct order, look for the logistics button next to it. It reads Cha Kan Wu Lo, which translates to View Logistics. Click that to open your tracking details. A tracking window or page will appear showing the delivery timeline. Here you can see the shipping carrier, the tracking number, and a series of timestamped updates. The newest update is usually at the top. Common statuses include shipped, in transit, arrived at sorting center, customs cleared, out for delivery, and delivered. If you see messages like label created or awaiting pickup, that usually means the seller has generated the shipment and the carrier will scan it soon. Updates may take 24 to 48 hours to appear. For cross-border shipments, it's normal to see longer gaps between scans while the package is moving between countries. If any of the tracking text appears in Chinese, your browser's built-in translate option can make the timeline easy to read without changing anything about the order. You can also refresh the page to load the latest updates. If your order contains multiple items shipped separately, you may see a logistics link for each parcel within the same order view. Repeat the same click to check each package. Keep an eye on any estimated delivery date shown. It adjusts as the carrier scans the package along the route. When the status shows delivered, double-check the delivery time and location in the log in case a family member or front desk received it. That's it. By logging in, opening purchased items, selecting your order, clicking View Logistics, and reading the timeline, you can confidently track your Taobao order from the seller's hands to your door.